There is limit to the number of undo in Adobe Photoshop. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can increase the number of undo in Adobe Photoshop. This is Twisted Creative. Alaribe Emmanuel is my name. If it's your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's jump into it. So we have this page, plain white page, that we are going to be staining on top with black, and we are going to be using our brush tool to make clicks on this board. So what we are going to be doing now is just going to start by counting the number of what we are going to add to this page now. Then we're going to use brush tool and paint black on this. So I'm going to be doing it click, click, click. I'm going to be counting it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. We are going to leave it at 57. Now, we are going to be using undo. I'll be using Ctrl Z to undo. Then I hold my control down and I start pressing my Z continuously until we get to 50 or more. Let's just try to erase everything we have here to undo. Like we're starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Huh? Nothing is happening. So if you find yourself in such a situation, like maybe you want to undo like 50 or more times, you find it's no longer working. There is a limit. So what we are going to do here is just for us to go to our edits, then go to preference, under preference, then you choose performance. Then this box is going to be open to you, and if you check the history state here, you notice we have just 50. That's why it's limited to just 50. So what you have to do here, you can just go and change it to 100, depending on the capability of your system. If your system would be able to handle like 50, 100, is up to you. You can just give it a try and see if it's going to be able to handle it. Then, in case you want to do something else, like increase increase the amount of RAM in your system that is dedicated to Photoshop, then you can kind of reduce or increase by using this slider here to change it. Like as you can see, it's on 82% now. I can take it to 90%, 80, 90%, 91%, but normally it was at 70%. So you have to give it a try and change and see if your Photoshop is going to be working better, especially when you are using your Photoshop more in your system. So you have to dedicate more RAM to the Photoshop. Then if you want to make your change, you just go here. Like if you want to make the history undo state, you can just type in like 100 to start with. You can also try 150 depending on the strength of your system, like if you are using workstation and other strong system. So you can try 100 if you wish. Just click 100 and hit OK. And it's going to be taking effect after you close Photoshop and restart Photoshop. So if you want to give it a try now, you can just say, okay, let's close off Photoshop. We are not going to save this. Then open up Photoshop and wait for a moment. So here we are, the Photoshop is open. Then we have to create a new document, and this new document we still have to leave it by 5 by 5 and 600 resolution and hit OK with a white background. Then we have it like this. Now we can start that exercise again and click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have like 110 spots here. Then let's just go ahead and hold down our control, then start clicking our Z. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. As you can see, it's no longer moving because we placed the history state at 100. So that is a practical example for us to know how we can increase and reduce the number of undo in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this interesting, helpful, and useful, let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if not done it before, and also give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative Pro, keep on creating, just stay creative. For now, bye.